Keeping your tech clean is no joke, especially when dust sneaks into every little crevice of your devices. That's where air dusters come in, powerful, eco-friendly alternatives to disposable canned air. Whether you're cleaning out the dust from your PC, giving your car a quick refresh, or even inflating pool toys, these powerful, eco-friendly tools have you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the best air dusters that tackle all kinds of tasks, from electronics and car interiors to just about anything else that needs a little blast of air. Let's check them out. If you're looking for a serious air duster, that means business. The IT Duster AirTec Ultra is a beast. Designed for professional use, this duster gives you 2 power levels, one for delicate cleaning and a second for full throttle dust blasting action. It's perfect for cleaning tech devices like PCs, gaming consoles, TVs, and even home appliances like radiators and fans. The best part? It comes with 6 interchangeable nozzles and 3 ESD cleaning brushes to handle any kind of dust, whether it's lightly settled or stubbornly stuck. Plus, everything packs neatly into a canvas drawstring bag for easy storage. With an energy-efficient 480-watt motor, the AirTec Ultra delivers powerful cleaning while using minimal electricity. Unlike disposable canned air, this one never runs out of steam. Need an air duster without the hassle of cords? The Dorobeen compressed air duster is a rechargeable battery-powered option that delivers 28 meters per second of powerful air thrust, more than enough to blow dust out of those hard-to-reach spots. It's great for cleaning circuit boards, computers, and delicate electronics that traditional cleaning methods can't handle. With a maximum speed of 33,000 RPM, it gets the job done efficiently. And speaking of charging, it supports fast charging via a 10-watt USB-C connection, cutting downtime to just 3 hours. It's also incredibly lightweight at just 405 grams, making it super easy to handle for extended cleaning sessions. If you're after pure power and a compact design, the Transwarrior compressed air duster is an absolute monster. It features a super high-speed turbo fan, cranking out an insane 300,000 RPM. That's enough power to distort your face if you aim it the wrong way. With wind speeds exceeding 120 meters per second, this thing obliterates dust in an instant. But power isn't its only trick. It comes with a new pulley mode, which lets you smoothly adjust the airflow with precision. Need a gentle breeze? Go low. Need a hurricane? Crank it up. It's ergonomically designed for comfort and weighs just 0.5 pounds, making it effortless to use. The pocket-sized build means you can literally carry it anywhere without hassle. The Sunshine compressed air duster is a one-time investment that'll save you cash in the long run. This electric air blower is designed to tackle dust on a variety of expensive electronics, including keyboards, laptops, cameras, medical equipment, and model vehicles. The powerful motor blasts air at 27 meters per second, ensuring that dust doesn't stand a chance. One of the standout features is the extra long 10-foot power cord, giving you plenty of reach. It's lightweight at 1.9 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. The momentary power switch means you only need to hold it down while cleaning. Once you let go, it turns off automatically. The Yomile compressed air duster is a beast when it comes to deep cleaning. With a max speed of 120,000 RPM, this little machine pushes out strong winds that can clear dust from even the most stubborn crevices, perfect for keyboards, laptops, and office setups. The The best part? It's rechargeable, replacing the need for traditional canned air. You get 3 adjustable speeds, allowing you to customize the airflow depending on the task at hand. It's also lightweight, making it easy to carry in a backpack or toolbox. With up to 40 minutes of battery life and USB-C fast charging, you won't be left waiting around when it's time to get cleaning. The Fresmol air duster offers a fantastic balance between power and usability. It features a 100,000 RPM motor with 3 airflow settings, so you can tackle everything from delicate electronics to car interiors. One standout feature is its LED display, which shows the remaining battery life and wind speed, super handy for those who like a little tech flair in their gadgets. It also comes with 5 different nozzles and 3 brushes, making it incredibly versatile for various cleaning jobs. And yes, it's an eco-friendly alternative to disposable air cans, so you can save money and reduce waste while keeping your gear dust-free. Need serious power in a compact form? The Wolfbox MF50 is an absolute powerhouse, reaching speeds of up to 110,000 RPM. It features 3 speed settings, allowing you to switch between gentle and full blast modes depending on what you're cleaning. Despite its power, it's ultra lightweight at just 0.45 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. The included lanyard adds extra portability, and with 4 different nozzles, it's perfect for cleaning keyboards, PCs, and even home appliances. One of its best features, a super efficient battery that lasts up to 240 minutes on the lowest setting. If you're after brute force, the Royaheta air duster delivers with a staggering 130,000 RPM speed and a wind force of 200 grams. That's some serious power for blasting away dust and debris in an instant. Its aluminum alloy build not only gives it a premium feel, but also makes it more durable than plastic alternatives. This duster isn't just for cleaning electronics. It comes with different nozzles that make it useful for clearing pet hair, drying wet surfaces, or even inflating swimming rings. Plus, the built-in LED light helps illuminate hard-to-reach spots, making it a great tool for detailed cleaning. With a USB-C charging setup and overheat protection, you get both convenience and safety in one package. When it comes to air dusters, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each of these 8 contenders brings something unique to the table. Whether you prioritize speed, battery life, portability, or all-around versatility, there's an option here for you. And whether you need an air duster for deep cleaning electronics, cars, or household items, this list covers all the bases. If you prefer raw power, go for the high RPM beasts. If portability is key, a lightweight cordless option will serve you best.